How to be successful with your home business. Starting a home business need not be a daunting task for the well-prepared entrepreneur. Advanced planning and research will improve the chances of success for any business. Even established home business owners can reap improved performance from additional learning. This video conveys some simple tips and tricks that may be of use to home business owners, whether or not they are just starting out. If you are running a business out of your home, it is vital that you keep excellent records and documentation of all of your business expenses. Keeping a good record of everything you spend on your business will provide you with the proof you need should your home business be audited by the IRS. When establishing a home business, one important rule of thumb to remember is to develop a customer-centric business plan. Building and maintaining business success requires a commitment to the customer that remains unwavering. By understanding your customers' desires and needs, you will be able to establish a loyal customer base. When gathering funds for your home business, be sure to have many backup investors. You can never trust that everyone who says they want to invest will actually provide the money at the proper time. If you have a few second-string investors ready, then you will be setting yourself up for success. Promote your home business by running a contest on your website. It will attract potential customers to your page and possibly result in new sales. Get the word out about your promotion by advertising on social media sites, contest boards, e-zines and search engines. The return you receive will be well worth the extra effort involved. If your home business is able to produce a product that can be sold wholesale to others, search the internet for a listing of businesses that could use the item. Contact them to see if they would like a complimentary sample. This is a great way to attract new customers to your business. You should contact a business lawyer in your area before you actually start your business. There may be laws that your state has established regarding home businesses of which you may not be aware. Contacting a business attorney is a great way to find out what the laws are and to find out what you need to do in order to follow them. Education might well be the best way to guarantee home business success. This video includes just a few of the many ideas available to the enterprising home business owner. Remaining open to new strategies and fresh ideas is a great strategy for anyone looking to make their home business pay off. Student loan.